What is up, everybody? It's Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com. And if you want to be on island time, have a cheeseburger in paradise, or enjoy the lifestyle of a parrot head, then Margaritaville Orlando Resort is for you. This resort is named after the famous song by Jimmy Buffett. We all know it, Baby Got Back. And it's the perfect place to relax and sip, well, a margarita. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of when these videos pop up. Margaritaville Resort Orlando transports guests into a vacation state of mind immediately upon arrival. You are greeted by floor-to-ceiling lobby views of the pools, the sounds of the tropics, and complimentary welcome cocktail. Not to mention the iconic statue of a larger-than-life flip-flop sandal. Two styles of accommodations are available to visitors. The Margaritaville Hotel, which features upscale amenities and balconies in each of the guest rooms, or the Margaritaville Cottages, private residences that offer the comforts of home, both of which provide a premium experience and friendly, genuine, island-inspired service. Each of the 265 guest rooms and suites at Margaritaville Hotel is its own private paradise. Modern amenities and high-end furnishings provide the comfort, while floor-to-ceiling windows showing off the lush surroundings and expansive lagoon pools create a Caribbean vibe. You'll be greeted with a welcome cocktail on arrival, and you'll even have your own private balcony for soaking up that Florida sunshine. If you enjoy a little more peace and privacy, choose the premium vacation cottages featuring full kitchens, dining and living areas, 1 to 8 bedrooms, and spa-style bathrooms. These relaxing retreats offer the seclusion of a beachfront bungalow with modern comforts and access to all of the Margaritaville Resort Orlando amenities. Within walking distance or a short trolley ride from the hotel is the promenade at Sunset Walk, where guests may experience dozens of exciting dining, retail, and entertainment options, and Island H2O Live Water Park spanning 14 acres, including 20 thrilling water attractions and much more. Margaritaville Resort Orlando is located in Kissimmee, Florida, less than 30 minutes from downtown Orlando and the Orlando International Airport. The world-famous theme parks of Walt Disney World Resort, Universal Orlando Resort, and SeaWorld Orlando are even closer. Margaritaville Resort Orlando makes it easy for guests to explore the best of destinations as well, with complimentary transportation to area theme parks for all registered guests. The resort does have a fun, relaxed atmosphere that seems geared toward older families and guests, but they're still fun for the kids. There are pools and theme parks nearby aside from the water park. There are also craft activities organized by the resort, such as do-it-yourself piggy banks and making your own slime. The resort offers their guests convenient shuttle services to Transportation Center for all of the award-winning Orlando parks, including Walt Disney World Resort, Universal Orlando Resort, and SeaWorld Orlando. For assistance with theme park and attraction tickets, shuttle reservations, or restaurant reservations, please visit the ticket desk in Margaritaville Resort Orlando's main lobby, open daily from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Now, that time is subject to change. All hotel shuttles require reservations as early as 1 day in advance and as late as an hour in advance. You must sign up and receive vouchers in order to board the shuttle. Reservations can be made through the website maingate.net or through the concierge desk in the lobby manned by AGS, all guest services. Shuttles do reach capacity, so please plan accordingly. When you aren't having fun at theme parks or in the pool, you can have a fun day to shop. Promenade at Sunset Walk is the perfect destination for a fantastic meal and a bit of evening entertainment. Eateries here offer everything from casual burgers, tacos, pizza, to fine dining, while entertainment options include live music venues, an arcade, bars, lounges, and a movie theater serving a full menu of food and beverages. There's also on-site places to enjoy a bite. Euphoria Fish House brings the best of Florida's celebrated seafood scene to your plate with Margaritaville flair. With Euphoria, taking its name from Jimmy Buffett's beloved yacht, this upscale dining destination kindles a tropical sense of intimate luxury with an impressive show kitchen and an inviting lounge. Whether you're enjoying a gourmet dinner with family and friends or a romantic evening with someone special, our culinary masters will wow you with a delectable menu of fresh and flavorful favorites. Located on the upper level of the hotel, Euphoria Fish House is open to both resort guests and locals. There's also a poolside grill with a tropically inspired hideaway serving up frosty margaritas, hamburgers, hot dogs, and more. Kick back in the inviting lounge area located at Finn's Left Pool, take in the beautiful views, work on your tan, and sip on something cold and refreshing. Another way to relax is utilizing the spa. A visit to Saint Somewhere Spa is just like a relaxing island escape for your mind, body, and soul. Namaste. Our tempting spa menu features massages, body therapies, skin treatments, facials, and salon services inspired by the tropics. Day packages are available, and you can upgrade any of our offerings with a private poolside cabana experience. And as always, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices. We have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your next Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.